Greetings, community. My name is Jamesia, aka James IA, aka your favorite water bearer, Team Aquarius, aka Yaya May. Shout out to my sister. I'm your motivational holistic health coach, and I'm just a vessel to provide you with the necessary tools to make sure that your mind operates in a state of consciousness, your spirit stays lit, and your body is snatched to the gods in every way you wish. Before we bankhead bounce into the video, shout out to ATL. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe by clicking the link below. And if you're feeling real spicy like, drop a comment or two. So today we're going to talk about the solar plexus. Are you ready? Get excited. So before we jump in, I would like to mention that there will be some changes moving forward. Instead of me posting on a weekly basis, I will now be posting on a bi-weekly basis. With that said, let's jump into the solar plexus. So what is the solar plexus chakra? The solar plexus chakra is located above the navel. It's associated with the color yellow, and it is the first of the emotional chakras rather than being one that is instinctive, mental, or spiritual. I know you're like, well, James IA, how will we know if our solar plexus is underactive? If your solar plexus is underactive, you would experience stress, you would lack confidence, become uptight, be unable to think clearly, feel powerless, become passive about life, or you would feel mentally weak. One way to strengthen the solar plexus chakra is to wear the color yellow. So I know you're like, well, okay, Yaya May. So how will we know if our solar plexus is overactive? Well, an overactive solar plexus can be someone who's cold, logical, analytical, or someone who uses logical arguments in order to demolish the opinions of others. These type of people are typically admirable computer programmers or analysts, and that's because computers don't have emotions, so that makes sense. But this can also look like someone who abuses their power by being argumentative, loud, or physical just to get their point across. Now, in order to balance an overactive solar plexus, or at least one way to do so is to practice yoga. So when our solar plexus chakra is balanced, we may feel responsible and reliable, have a healthy self-esteem, can be spontaneous, playful, have a sense of humor, able to make decisions and meet challenges, and have a warm personality. So that is all that I have for you, community. I hope that you all have a soulful self-care Sunday and a wonderful week. Oh yeah, don't forget to drink your water, mind your business, and eat your fruits and vegetables. TTYL.